ಕಿಟತಕ ತರಿ ಕಿಟತಕ ಧೀಂ ಥಂ ಕಿಟತಕ ತರಿ ಕಿಟತಕ ಧೀಂ ಥಂ ಕಿಟತಕ ತರಿ ಕಿಟತಕ ಧೀಂ ತದ್ಧಿಕ್ಕಿಣ್ಣ ತೋ ತದ್ಧಿ ತಕ್ಕಿಟತೋ ಕಿಟತಕ ತರಿ ಕಿಟತುಂ ಧಿಂ. This tala is known as Mani Tala. Yes, but how? And where does this come in the Saptatala system? Let's find out. Dhruva Tala, consisting of one laghu, one dhrita, followed by two laghus, has 5 different variations based on the jati. Let's take Trishra Jati Dhruva Tala, consisting of 11 kriyas. The laghu count is 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The another name for this tala is Mani Tala. Yes, each tala has different names. Let's see what the names of other talas are. Chaturashra Jati Dhruva Tala, where the laghu count is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The total count is 14. The another name for this tala is Shrikhara. In the same way, Khanda Jati, Mishra Jati and Sankirna Jati Dhruva Tala changes based on the jati of the laghu. Let's try Khanda Jati Dhruva Tala. The laghu count is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The total count is 17. And the another name for this tala is Pramana. Let's go to Mishra Jati Dhruva Tala. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The laghu count here was 7. The total number of kriyas is 23. The another name for this tala is Purna. Let's go to the last variant, Sankirna Jati Dhruva Tala. This is considered to be the largest tala in the Saptatala system. The laghu count is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The total number of kriyas is 29. The another name for this tala is Bhuvana. Thus, we saw the 5 variations of Dhruva Talas with unique names. Let's explore other talas with the exact names in the next series.